welcome back to Volume Vegan Cooking Channel. I love Greek and Mediterranean food. It's fresh, bright flavors and those rich, heart-healthy fats. I have long loved tabbouleh salad and have made many different versions of it. From the traditional bulgur wheat version to replacing that with quinoa, turning it into a pasta salad, and finally this very low-carb, low-calorie version made with cauliflower instead of any sort of grain. As an added bonus, there is no cooking involved in this version. This is a salad that we can feel like we can eat a whole pile of and not feel at all guilty. At the end, I will show you my plated salad topped with my baked falafel and oil-free hummus, which you will find the recipes for on my channel. Now, let's assemble these ingredients. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let me apologize for my little apartment. We are in a space that's sort of a transition apartment between one place to another that we're moving in the spring. What we have here is some of our ingredients, the bulk of the ingredients. A medium head of cauliflower. We have some Kalamata olives. I really like to use these little orange cherry tomatoes that you would have seen in my grocery haul. Hidden underneath the parsley, which we're also going to be using, is a cucumber, and I'm going to use some mint leaves as well. There's also some spices and other things I don't have pictured here, but we'll get to those when it's time to add them in. Okay, so as you can see, I use kitchen scissors that I wash constantly every time that I use them to hack up a cauliflower into pieces that I put into my food processor. I'm going to use it in stages to pulse all of the cauliflower down until it is very small, like pieces of rice. Yeah, and as you can see, it turns out great. It looks just like rice. I use this stuff in a lot of things. It's very versatile. You can saute it and it becomes a fried rice type thing. You can sweeten it. You can make it into sort of a rice pudding dish. You can even turn it into something very, very much like grits. So I really love how versatile cauliflower rice is. So I'm just going to leave it in a bowl here and get on to the next ingredient. Oh, so here I have turned the camera vertically without realizing it, and I have added in a cup of flat leaf parsley. I've chopped it up. I would normally use curly. I prefer curly. I don't know why, but they didn't have curly. And also I promised that I'm getting a tripod, a little one for the counter, to hold my phone so that this is all going to look better. Here I have added in a half a cup of chopped up mint leaves. And I added in 3 chopped up green onions or scallions. Here I have added 1 cup of orange cherry tomatoes. They're my favorite. I have just halved them. I think they're a really good juicy little bite, but you could even quarter them into little slivers if you wanted them to be a little bit more spread out in the dish. And now we've added a cucumber. I take out the middle of the cucumber with the seeds, but leave the rind on. If you want to peel the cucumber, of course, do that and slice it up to add it in. I sliced up half a cup of my Kalamata olives and added those in. I add in a hefty amount of garlic, so definitely use as much as you like if you're more sensitive to it. Now we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm adding in a half teaspoon of ground turmeric. Gonna add a little bit of salt, gonna add a little bit of pepper to finish things off. You're gonna stir and marry all of this stuff together, all of those amazing ingredients. And now you have a fresh, gluten-free, plant-based, grain-free, low-calorie tabbouleh salad that you can really enjoy as much of as you would like without feeling at all guilty. Yeah. And here we have the finished product. The tabbouleh salad, a very, very big heaping helping for my teenage boy. 3 of my baked falafel that you'll find a recipe for in the coming days. And a big, big, big scoop of the oil-free hummus, which you'll also be getting in the next day or so on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and put on those notifications so that you are notified the moment that I post those videos and the other ones that I've already got shot and ready for you. I just have to piece them together. Thank you so much for watching this video, for noticing my channel. I really appreciate it, and I really hope that you enjoy the recipes that I've shared with you. Until next time, bye-bye.